Hello everyone, let's solve this worksheet, chapter number 10, Law and Social Justice, worksheet number 20. Write down your name, class, section and roll number. Okay. So first question is MCQ. 1. The world's worst industrial tragedy took place in dash December 1982, December 1983, January 1984, January 1985. Yes, Keith.
Ma'am, in book it was written December 1984.
Maybe there is a misprinting. Instead of 1982, option A, you write down 1984. Okay. Now, Geet, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. December 1984.
Yes.
Option A.
Next, the highly poisonous gas that leaked from Union Carbide plant was carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, methyl isonate, MIC. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, methyl isonide.
Methyl
MIC.
isonide, yes. Next, the government can be protected by afforestation and proper disposal of sewage, minimum use of private vehicle, boycott of the use of polybags, all of these. Yes, RN Agarwal.
Ma'am, all of these.
Yes, answer is all of these. By all these way we can save our environment. Union Carbide UC was an British company, Russian company, American company, French company. Yes, Sarthak Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Union Carbide UC was an British company,
Ma'am, American company.
an American company,
American.
an American company. State whether the following statement are true or false. In the eye of the law, it is legal to deny worker their wages. It is true. Law deny करता है for worker of minimum wages of worker. It is true. Yes, RN. Akriti Balian.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, ma'am.
False.
False.
A worker has to be paid minimum wage by the employer. It is true or false? Yes, Geet.
Ma'am, true.
True. Enforcement of law becomes more important when the law seeks to protect the weak from the strong. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Yes, ma'am.
Enforcement of law, implementation of law became more important जब हम देखते हैं to protect the weak from the strong.
Yes, ma'am. True.
It is true. Advanced country relocate industry to developing countries like India to provide its people the employment. Or to make maximum profit. Yes. RN Shinde.
Ma'am, it is false.
It is false. Emission of vehicle are major source of environmental pollution. Samriddh.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aryan Agarwal.
Ma'am, false.
No, it is true. व्हीकल से बहुत सारा धुआं निकलता है, emission मिलते हैं, स्मोक आउट, जो इट क्रिएट pollution, air pollution. Pumps at contaminated wells are painted dash by government around Union Carbide factory in Bhopal. Yes, Phillips. Painted red by red ink by the government around UC factory. Local people continue, still the local people continues that water that is contaminated water. So painted red. Union Carbide, an American company in Bhopal, produced which, this is the plant for making which thing? Yes, which thing? This company made
Ma'am, pesticides.
pesticide. This company, the plant may make pesticides. Yes. In 2016, Parliament amended the dash 1986. Which law amended? Instead of 2016, 2006. In October, the Parliament Child Labor Prevention Act. Child Labor Prevention Act. Power of law become more important when the law seeks to protect the weak from the strong. Now move on next. Match the item in column A with those in column B. Private companies. The main objective of private companies. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, higher profits.
Higher profits. Healthy environment is a part of which fundamental right, which is given an
Right to-
article, right to life. Workers' rights. Right to work, right favor wages and decent work condition. A major cause of environmental pollution.
Emissions from vehicles.
Vehicles. Union Carbide tragedy, where it
Bhopal
happened?
disaster.
Bhopal disaster. Very short answer type questions. First, why did Union Carbide set up its plant in India? Yes, Aryan, बोलिए.
Ma'am, cheap labor.
Only cheap labor. The Union Carbide setup is planned in India due to various reasons, because they easily get cheap labor in India, ignore the all safety rules, and get more and more profit. weak safety rules can easily implement it in India. That is why Union Carbide, very well. So they set up its plan in India. What does law on minimum wages specify? Law and minimum wages specify. Yes, hurry up, raise your hand. The law on minimum wages specify a worker has to be paid not less than the minimum wages by the employer. And the minimum wages are revised upward every few years. The protect worker, there are also law to protect the interest of producer and consumer in the. So the law on minimum wages, this. Whose interest does the law minimum wages protect? Yes, the law protect the worker. There are also law that protect the interest of producer consumer in the market. These help ensure the relation between three party, worker, consumer, and producer, are governed in a manner that is not exploitative. So it create good relation or good environment in market. The court gave a number of judgment upholding the right to a healthy environment as intrinsic or to the fundamental right to life justify. Who can give answer? Yes, entering means which is very necessary for the people. So the Supreme Court said this is the right to life under this, which is under Article 21 of the Constitution, include the right to the enjoyment of pollution-free water and air of full enjoyment of life. And the government is responsible for the setting up the laws and procedure that can check the pollution and clean river and introduce heavy fine for those who pollutes, because this is the right to under the our fundamental right to life. Every citizen having their right to breathe fresh air, drink pure and clean water. How do the strong order of the court on environment issue affect people's livelihood? How can it be solved? Yes, these have sometimes affected people's livelihood adversely. For example, the court directed industry in residential area in Delhi to close down and shift out of the city. Several of these industries were polluting their neighborhood, and discharge from these industries were polluting river Yamuna because they had been set up without following rules. So, but while the court's action solved one problem, it created another. Because the closure, many workers lost their job. Others were forced to go to far away place where these factory had relocated. And the same problem now began to come up in these area. For now, these places became polluted, and the issue of the safety condition of worker remain unaddressed. Next, why do foreign companies prefer to open industry in Asian countries? Because easily they get the cheap labor, they can easily ignore the all safety terms and rule regulation, and by this they cost cutting in their expensive, they can earn lots of profit. That is why many foreign companies prefer to open their industry in Asian countries. I hope everyone listen me. I hope everyone done their worksheet.